How many eggs do you want? One.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold on, a little more. Mess. Okay, come on. Here. Wow, good job. I think 2 is good. Only 2. Those, yeah? Only 2. Mommy did 1 and you did 1. Alright guys, hi there. It is Friday. And I have to work tonight, so I'm not like Uber, like, oh my god, it's Friday and I'm done. I mean, I'm a mom anyway, so it's Friday, it's just another day. Anyways, I am having some comida right now. I've got some pineapple, strawberry there, and yeah, that's really delicious. I forget how much I love pineapple sometimes. So good. And I'm watching Pretty Little Liars because both of my babies are asleep. And that's about where I'm at right now. We're supposed to take Joshua to speech therapy today, but Michael's work schedule just didn't work out. So he's asleep. Michael hopefully will be home soon because I gotta go in at 5 and I want to be able to see him for just a little bit. To be totally honest, as much as I love my kids, this right here, nice clean house, got a couple of candles lit, like it's just heaven to me. Sit at home, some yoga pants, my hair is done, my makeup is done, a couple of candles, nice and quiet, and I'm gonna paint my nails before the baby wakes up.
Meet her here? I'm positive she said meet more often. So where is she? She's not here.
Mas? Use your hands. Mas? No, you want to do it. It's okay. Good girl. Nummy, 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 nummy,
So I got this for Joshua, and it's his favorite thing ever. Put it back up. The way he holds it, he's so scared of it going off.
So I am so bummed that I didn't leave the camera with Michael. I thought I did, but apparently, well, obviously not since I'm talking to you. I'm on my break right now and work has been crazy as a mofo all night long. It's raining, people. Go home. Yogurt don't taste good when it's red. Well, actually, that's not true. I know I'm not the only one because my mom is the same exact freaking way. For some reason, it's like, and it never fails. Whenever it's cold, like super freezing cold, my milk is turning to like slushy. That's disgusting. But whenever it's really cold outside, I want ice cream. And I can't be the only person on earth, right? Please tell me I'm not. Anyways, I'm headed to either Ross or Old Navy right now. Got half an hour to kill, already ate my dinner, so I'm just basically gonna go shopping. Alright, as if I need an excuse. No, I'm actually looking for a pair of shoes because there's this dress that I've been wanting to wear for the longest time and I just can't find shoes because I have freaking Smurf feet and it's impossible for me to find shoes. So hopefully I'll have some luck.
Okay, toma. Gave him a little bit of soda. Just a little bit. Because he's eating some pizza rollers. He's actually going to town on them too, so. Toma. Drink a little bit more. Drink some more. He drank some, and the face he made was hilarious. Hey, I love you. Somebody
wants me to send them pictures of my feet in like certain positions and stuff, and I'm just again got people. This person's claiming that it's for some Springs art project or something like that. And I'm just like,
he's trying, you know, to be convincing.
So to the person that sent me that email, I'm sorry, honey, if it's like a real thing, you know, but there's just
he could just go online
and find
Google
pictures of feet.